How to make money online with reverse engineering, the most challenging skill on earth. But now it's easy because I'm here to explain you this very well. Let's start this. Reverse engineering is one of the toughest and most specialized online earning skills. It involves analyzing software, hardware, or systems to understand how they work, uncover hidden features, or identify vulnerabilities. Professionals earn money by working with the tech companies, cybersecurity firms, and startups, providing services such as vulnerability analysis, software compatibility solutions, or custom hardware improvements. Freelancers can also consult or reverse engineering projects for international clients, and this skill is extremely challenging because it requires deep technical knowledge, problem solving, and precision. Mistakes can damage systems or invalidate months of work, so only high skilled experts succeed, like now you and me. Okay, because reverse engineering is rare, same as you and me guys are rare in this world. Okay, and high because reverse engineering is rare and highly technical, it provides a high earning potential. Professionals working in this field can command premium rates, long term contracts, and high profile projects, making it one of the most elite online income paths.